Let's look at GBP USD, okay, and do a review. It's been a while. So now, one thing you will note with GBP USD is that we have been on a bullish trend. You know, first thing is you identify the market direction. Then from there, you're able to identify, after you've gotten your buyers, you can now move to lower time frames and get your entries, okay? So we have been on a bullish direction, which is a pullback, okay? But as much as it's a pullback, this is a move that started all the way from 2022. So it's not simply a pullback, but already a direction in the market. So now, the last thing that we had was a break of structure overall over here. Okay. We had a break of that high. Number two, we had a break of also this internal high. This is the external structure. Okay, we have the external structure and the internal structure. Okay, external structure are these moves. Okay, we call it this one leg, another leg, or whichever you want to call it. Also the internal structure, we broke this high over here. And if you watch this video, make sure to join our Telegram channel. The link is on the bio. Are we together? So there it is. We had another what? Internal break of structure. If we focus on the internal break of structure, that means that currently as we speak, okay, price is at our what? At our demand zone. This is definitely a weekly demand zone. Are you together? So, for those who trade SMC or in strategy, you know that when price hits a weekly demand zone, it means that we're supposed to be looking for buys, okay? We normally look for buys, but we look for buys with confirmation. It doesn't mean that because price has tapped the demand, you buy instantly. No, because price might be wanting to break below and even shift bearish, okay? So only confirmations are the things that you should be looking for, and those are the only things that should make you buy in a bullish or rather even bearish market. Are we together? So now that price has tapped a weekly demand zone, that is today on the 13th of November 2024, you need to now move on lower time frames like the 15 minutes, the 1 hour, the 2 hours, and look for an entry what? Entry confirmation. What is an entry confirmation? An entry for confirmation, for example, now like this time frame, which is the 30 minutes, okay? Over here, you see price has tapped the demand, but now we had this as the last high, or rather the last lower high that was formed before what? Before price continued bearish. Okay, so that is now because this was the last break of structure here. Are we together? So for you to have the best and perfect confirmation, price must trend upwards until it breaks this high like this, then this, then you continue. Are we together? Because if price does not break this high, price might be pulling back, okay, to come forward, to come for a supply that caused a break of this low. This is the supply that did what? This is the supply that broke this low. So price might come and tap into this supply and continue with its bearish trend that it has been having. Are we together? That is why you need to have a break of this high. And a break of this high, we need to have a candle closure above that high. Are we together? So today we have CPI. Okay. Today we have CPI on USD. Do we have CPI on USD? So let's see if it will at least give us a minor push from what? From this demand zone. But I'd be very happy if I see what? GBP USD push to the upside. We get our confirmation. Then you can swing and target the what? Target the week swing high around there. Okay. But remember, every trade comes with confirmations, and that is it. So cheers, guys. Let's trade confidently, and also let's apply proper risk management.